Excellent. So now you have your social media captured. So you have a sample of your social media in a single file. It's organized by date, so you can easily see which posts were posted on which date of the month. The problem is now we want to analyze it based on each post. And we can't do that very easily the way it's formatted, but we can do a little tweak and it will change things up and make it super easy for us to move forward. So I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see this analysis that I have of the Air Force Twitter post from June 2021. As you can see, it's similar to your file where you have the date. So this is June 1st, and here we have one post for June 1st, 2021. And when we move down to June 2nd, you see that we have 3 posts on June 2nd. And so what we need to do is we need to make sure those are separated so we can analyze them as individuals. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the row. And then I'm going to create a new row above that by right-clicking and doing insert and row above. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to take that first post for June 2nd. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to put a 2A here to indicate that is the first post of June 2nd. Now we have our second post of June 2nd. I'm going to call that 2B. And then this one here is our third one. So what I'm going to do for that one is I am going to highlight the row and insert a row below. And then I'm going to cut it. And this is my row. And I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to call this one 2C. So I know it's the third post on the 2nd of June. And so what you can see here is now I have this post is 1. There's only 1 on that particular day. This one's 2A. It's the first post on June 2nd. 2B is the second post on June 2nd. And 2C is the third post on June 2nd. Here we go to June 3rd. There are 2 posts on June 3rd. So I have A and B. On June 4th, I have 1, 2, just 2. And then on the 5th, I have 1, 6th one, 7th one. On the 9th, I have 2. There's a 9A and a 9B. This makes it easier when you're when you're analyzing the individual posts, so you can talk about them across your team, and you can talk about, okay, so 2B, I would consider that this particular theme, and we know that you're talking about this particular post, and it makes it super easy to move forward and to code. So good luck. I hope that was a helpful tutorial, so you can modify what you already have, your existing data, and make it easy for moving forward to looking at themes rather than quantity in terms of your social media posts. Good luck with your analysis.